Welcome to 10 Rolling Mill Lane, right here in the heart of the Woodlands, Texas. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac in the highly sought after Grogan's Mill Village. As you can see, this home is on an oversized lot, around 10,000 square feet, complete with a private fenced backyard and a patio deck perfect for entertaining. As you can step inside with me, you'll see that this room is very well lit. A nice open floor pan with high ceilings, and you can see that there is no carpet throughout this home, if that's important to you. Has a nice spacious living room that flows right into the dining area, creating a perfect spot for family gatherings or hosting guests. You can see this nice laundry area. And as we stroll into the kitchen, this has been beautifully updated with stainless steel appliances. You've probably noticed the breakfast bar that we walked by earlier. And you can see that there's plenty of cabinet space. This rental includes a refrigerator and is ready for move-in. This home offers 3 generously sized bedrooms. As you can see, we're walking through the nice spacious living room with a chimney. Again, very well lit. You can just let your imagination do what it will as far as putting your furniture in your new rental home. Take a look outside as you'll have this beautiful backyard, peaceful backyard. As you can see, we're walking into the primary suite, which features a private bath. Also opens up to the backyard if you like to walk outside early in the morning and enjoy a little nature. And you can see here the primary suite bathroom. A nice tub shower combo. And it's separate so that one person can handle their business while the other one gets ready. Nice walk-in closet. There's plenty of room. Again, very well lit. It looks like they did a really good job with these renovations. Very modern. Take a quick look outside. As you can see, watch the screen here. Nice patio deck. You have plenty of shade. If you love to garden, this place is perfect for you. Again, this 10,000 square foot lot. This home is being rented for $2,700 a month. So if you are in the market to move to the Woodlands, maybe you're looking to upgrade and looking for a nice spacious spot, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Let's take one more walk through here and see the second bedrooms, second and third bedrooms, which is conveniently located on the other side of the home so that everybody has their privacy. I love what they did with the floors here. Another full bath and shower. Perfect, beautiful updates here in the second bathroom. And you can see here the second and third bedrooms have plenty of room. Nice closet space. We're just going to go in and out of these. And just remember, living here means you have access to the Woodlands, which has amazing amenities such as the parks, the trails, tennis courts, pickleball courts, and of course top-rated schools if that's important to you. Great restaurants. If you love to shop, this place is your spot. Again, this home is move-in ready at $2,700 a month. If you'd like to schedule a private tour or learn